guys, welcome back to another video. And so today, you may remember from yesterday when I uploaded me unboxing this drone, or quadcopter. And today we are just flying it in the house. So please can we have 10 likes on this video, and please subscribe if you're new. So first what we need to do is just switch on the drone, wait till it flashes, then you turn on the controller and it'll make a beep. Then you need to go up and down to connect it. Then you just need to calibrate it. And then as you can see it flashes and then it stops. Then it's calibrated. So guys, now we're going to have a go at flying. So here it is, guys. If you can see it. It's quite confusing. So here it is. Quite a sensitive drone. So guys, I'm going to try and do a flip. As you can see, that was a flip. So let's land it. So as you can see now guys, we are starting up the wings again. Here it's flying now. Quite high up, so we're going to bring it down. Here it is. Bring it back. Bring it down. Here's a front flip, guys. Can you see that, guys? There's a front flip. So guys, now I'm going to try and land it on the table. Let's just try and get... Is it going to come to it? Oh, here. Get lower, get lower. Oh, no. So guys, I'm going to try again, landing it on the table. Here, go on. Oh, now we're going to have to try again. Here, oh. So now guys, we are trying to land it. Let's just spin it round. To the side a bit, backwards a bit, to the side again, bit more to that side, back to the side. Yes, yes! Oh no! Higher again. Yes guys! We landed it! On the table! So guys, now we're just going to charge it and then I'll catch you when it's fully charged, and then we'll be outside trying it out and doing loads of flips and everything like that. So I'll catch you then. Bye! So guys, now I'm back from charging it and we're just going to fly it outside. By the way guys, there's also a bit of a breeze, so it's quite hard to control it. So if you remember, we have to switch on the controller and it'll make a beep. And also we have to obviously turn on the drone to wait till it, and then we have to wait till it starts flashing. Then we have to go up and down to connect it, and then we also have to recalibrate it. And I think it is now. So we're just gonna start it up. So guys, here it is, flying now. It's really bright. You guys are going to try and flip, a front flip, back flip. So guys, going to try again. Just keep it quite low. Turn it. Let's do a side flip. Another side flip. Hello, camera. Let's go. Really fun, guys. Hello there. Bring it back over here. Let's do a spin around. Quite easy to control. It's a bit easier than inside because there's more obstacles and everything. Let's do a backward flip. Let's turn it around. Then let's do a front flip. Let's go. Front flip. Skills by the drone. Let's just spin it round. Let's do a backward flip. And let's bring it back. Hello. Let's do another spin. Let's do a right flip. So guys, let's try it again. Now there's a bit of a breeze on those. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Remember to subscribe and please can we have 10 likes on this video. Bye. Oh, and by the way guys, this drone is called the Syma x20 quadcopter. So if you want to buy it, that's what it's called. So yeah guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.